Hey guys, we're here today and we're going to give you a quick tour of the campground that we've been hosting at for the last couple months. We are at
Buckaloons. Buckaloons.
So here we are at the entrance. It's right off of 62 outside of Warren, Pennsylvania. And when you come around the corner, you want to catch it because it comes up on you real quick. So here we go.
Buckaloons is a part of the Allegheny National Forest. It's not a state park, it's a federally run park, and it's under Allegheny Site Management, and that's who we work for.
So right over there is the boat launch, and this is the parking for the day use area. A little bit over there, there's some trailer parking, and there's 3 by the water campsites over there. This is the main bathroom, men's and women's showers, flush toilets, and a little butterfly area. As you come around the corner, it splits off here into 2. You've got your electric sites go that way, and your non-electric loop is this way. Over across from where we are, you've got a water spigot right there. There's a pit toilet and a little basketball court. And there's these speed bumps all throughout the park. Site 51 is actually a double site. It's a little more per night, but you can put double the stuff on here. This is site number 7. This is the double site on the electric side. This is one of the entrances into the trail. There's a trail that goes around the park. It's about a little over a mile, and you can pick it up. A lot of them run right behind the campsite. It runs down Broken Straw Creek and then along the Allegheny River. Up in there is another flush toilets, bathrooms, no showers or anything in there, but there's a toilet right in the center of the electric area. And as you can see, the wood bathroom is right back there. So the bathroom's still accessible from this side. This is a mixture of 30 and 50 amp sites. And if you're gonna need your 2 air conditioners in the summer, you wanna make sure you're booking a 50 amp site. Here's a pavilion that you can rent. A lot of people that had big groups, they ended up renting the pavilion so that they could all hang out here on the weekends. And the hiking path picks back up right here and comes about at the boat ramp. So right down here is where the Allegheny and the Broken Straw Creek come together. Right there is where the hiking trail comes out through, and then you'd continue along this grass area back behind the pavilion to pick it up again. And then right up here we got another pit toilet for you. So this is the group camp. That's a room. There's no electric on here. Okay, so this is where you come in. You got your stop sign here. You want to come over here. This is where your fee area is. This is an honor system, so please be honorable. It's a $5 for day use for dropping in your canoes, which is, in my opinion, extremely cheap because we've gone places where they charge you $5 per canoe. So it's, you know, $5 for your car. We do sell ice here, and we do sell firewood here. You've got your dump station over here. And then right up in the front of the dump station, there's a spigot. So when you're coming in with your camper, you can come here, pull in right this way, and fill up your water before you get to your site.
Currently, the electric sites are $25 a night, and the non-electric are $20 a night. And if you have a golden pass, you'll get them for half price. go ahead and leave some comments down below. If you have any questions about the campground or what you've seen, go ahead and leave them in the comments also. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.